I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlink a bank account on Moan Finance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Moan Finance app. Launch the Moan Finance app on your mobile device or visit the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings section of your account. This is usually found in the Profile menu, which you can access by tapping on your profile icon. Step 3. Select Bank Accounts. In the Settings menu, look for the Bank Accounts option. This will show you all the bank accounts currently linked to your Moan Finance account. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Find the bank account you want to unlink and select it. You should see an option to remove or unlink the account. Click on that option. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink the account. Confirm your choice to complete the process. Sometimes, you might need to wait a few minutes for the changes to take effect, so don't panic if it doesn't update immediately. I hope this guide helps you unlink your bank account smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.